Okay. Nathan Harris. I'm 10 years here at Evergreen Farm and Garden, agriculture technician, working on everything from combines down to the compacts, wide variety of equipment. Do see some of the construction line too with the Gale and Manitou products. So you have a good variety of everything we do around here. I have job responsibilities of diagnosing, repairing machinery, dealing with customers and talking to them and explaining what their situation is, what they equip with the equipment, and going out and seeing them in the field, and also working on their equipment around the shop here. So I'll be split up some days working on the shop for the morning, and then I'll go out and see customers in the field to diagnose electrical issues, hydraulic issues, mechanical issues with their equipment, and then go out either at the same time or on a later date and do the repairs. I've done a repair in the last couple of weeks where I went to a tractor that was up around Uxbridge Way, had water in the fuel system with a good amount of contamination, so we had to go through do a diagnostic on why the tractor wouldn't operate. He was getting hard starting, a lot of smoke, so went through, found water in the fuel, drained the fuel system, went through and replaced the whole fuel system due to contamination, and pulled the top end all apart, put all new injectors, all new injection pump on it, reassembled it, tested it around here for several hours to make sure everything was up to par and up to standards, to make sure the customer wasn't going to have an ounce of issues once they got it back, and to make sure they're going to be happy with their product. I got started in this career. My family, we run a cow-calf operation just north of Orono. I'm 6th generation. Family, always been a bit mechanically inclined. My uncle was a mechanic growing up, so I've always worked around him a little bit and seen it from the distance. So then I did a 4-period co-op credit here at Evergreen when I was in high school. I liked it. I got a good experience, and it was a good opportunity to see what was all involved in the job before actually getting into it. So after I did the co-op placement, I worked here for my first summer, and then through grade 12, I worked here every night after school, and I just liked it. It was a fun job, and it was a good way to get into it, but not, even if you didn't have a whole lot of experience, doing the co-op gave you a good input in it to know what you were doing. And once I did that, I went through and did the apprenticeship and everything. I had to go to Fanshawe College for about a period of 5 years almost, from start to finish, by the time you got all your hours. But you went down there for first and second level, then came back for about a year before we did our third level of the apprenticeship, which Fanshawe College runs it through John Deere. So John Deere sponsors us. I was sponsored by Evergreen Farm and Garden to go down and do the course, and it was an awesome course to go at Fanshawe. Really in depth, and you learned a lot. They're really hands-on, and the teachers were awesome to deal with. You got to have good work ethic. Thinking on your feet is really an aspect, because once you get into diagnostics, you got to be able to understand what the equipment's doing and and what you have to do to get around to repair it. Respect goes a long ways too, because you got to respect. People may get upset sometimes when you're working with them about their equipment being broke down, but you got to understand that they are making a living with it, and when it's down, they are out of production too at that time. So you got to have a good head on your shoulders to be able to stay calm when you're working with them and get the job done. I like being on the road, going out and seeing the customers, and you get the good hands-on feeling of dealing with the equipment and talking to the customers to see what was going on, and actually knowing the issues with the equipment and seeing them run it, and you actually get to see it. You see your finished product when you get it running good, and it's a good feeling when you see the guy get out there and actually doing the work that it's supposed to do and not having an ounce of issues, and it just, when everything comes together real smoothly. It's a bigger picture. It fits in that we help to maintain and keep equipment going, to keep food production going, and keep farmers going with their everyday lives. You got to keep people happy and keep the equipment moving, to keep dairy farmers going, keep cash croppers going, keep beef farmers going. You're working with a little bit of mixture of everyone. And we get into the contracting aspect of it too. You're helping everyone else maintain and keep their day-to-day lives moving, and their way of a life, making a living moving.